Hey, if you got one of these 2011 F-150s and you're having problems with the turn signals not functioning, maybe one of the turn signals not functioning, I got a quick tip for you. You're watching the Car Doctor channel. Tim, I'm here at my repair shop, Donor Automotive in Anchorage, Alaska, and today I've got one of these 2011 F-150s. Customer complaint that the left rear turn signal does not function.
This video will apply to left or right, but and you can see in this case that the left front does function along with the mirror light, which is important to note, but you'll notice that it's flashing rapidly, and of course the left rear does not illuminate at all. First thing I did when it came in is I checked the bulbs. It actually had two of the wrong bulbs in it that were recently replaced. And I went ahead and replaced the bulbs with the correct ones. But here's the other thing you have to do. When you have a burnt out bulb or maybe an incorrect bulb or a problem with the turn signal circuit on these vehicles, it can set a BCM code. And in this case, I did pull the codes and found one of them here, the B132B left stop turn lamp circuit code. That will set if you, again, have a burnt bulb or, we'll go ahead and turn that off. If you have a burnt bulb or a problem in the circuit or whatnot, you will get that code. So after pulling these codes with my scanner, I'm going to clear them. And now we'll check the function again. We have normal flashing rhythm, and we have a turn signal that is working properly. So that was a successful fix. Now, one thing to note, these do have obscure problems with the BCM that can result in a similar code and problem or symptom. So you want to watch for that. There's some specific tests you need to do if that's the case.
So basically, if you replace the bulbs on one of these 2011 F-150s, you're going to want to reset the BCM in order to get your turn signals back, as long as it did have a code similar to that body control module code that you saw here, and that will get your turn signals back up and functioning again. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. I really appreciate you watching. Please subscribe for more Car Doctor videos, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.